It's already September, and you know what that means. It's time to share with you guys the top iPhone apps for the month of September. So let's get started. So first off, of course, the first app we have is called Lollipop. So Lollipop is one of my new favorite wallpaper applications for the iPhone, and it allows you, of course, to customize your wallpaper to have different setups on your iPhone. And what I like about this application is just the unique designs that you find in the application here, which is just really, really nice. And I just love the material design look to it, which of course was first introduced on Android, and then now the app is here on iPhone. So it's a really fantastic application if you just want unique wallpapers with just cool designs, minimalistic looks and everything. And I think you'll like a lot of the designs here that you find here for your iPhone setup. Next, we have Meta Journal. So Meta Journal, if you're like me, you're always trying to find the right app to find to journal, and Meta Journal is just another great application to allow you to just journal, but not also journal, but just follow your activities as well and document all that stuff. So what I like about this application is that you get to do so much already right within inside the app. So one of the big things, of course, is here is you could see what you have your tasks, how you if you've been doing meditation, if you've been doing exercise and all that, you could add all that information right in the application here. So it's not like your typical journal app where you mostly just write stuff down and that's it, and then it just to let your expression out. Here you document a lot more than just your thoughts. So right here, of course, you have your progress here, and then you have your pie chart here for some, and well, not pie chart, but your chart here to see how you are doing with all the documentation. And then what I like about this is that you can actually add what type of entry you want to add to it. So if you want to add an achievement, maybe you completed something already, maybe you just want to enter your mood and that's it, which is just fine. Your thoughts as well, like I said, is a great way just to enter your thought or a mistake or something that you've gotten. So yeah, it's just a really nice application if you want to document a lot more than just your thoughts and your emotions. Then this is just a really, really great app for that. And what I like about this is just all the data you get to see. Of course, if you keep documenting every time, you get to see your improvements and how it's been going for you throughout the week and the month. Next we have is the YouTube app. So you're probably wondering why the YouTube app, like it's not new or anything like that. Well, it's for one reason, and that's pretty much for this reason. So I'm gonna just lower the volume right now, and we're gonna click play, and we're gonna just for the picture in picture. So that's pretty much it. Why why the YouTube app is in one of the best new application updates for this month is because of the update of picture in picture that support now on the iPhone. So now you could be doing something else like going on Twitter or something, and or other things while you're watching a YouTube video on the iPhone, which is just really, really great. And so that's why it's in this month's for one of the top apps for September. Next, we have this Tweetbot. So Tweetbot, of course, is a great third-party Twitter client. If you're not a fan of the main Twitter app, then a lot of developers, a lot of users are going to like Tweetbot. So Tweetbot is here for this single reason, and that is the new behavior feature. So what behavior does is it allows you to change up the behavior of the application. So here you get to choose what you want to do to customize it a little bit much more your experience on the timeline in Tweetbot, which is really, really great. So yeah, you could change the themes here. You could do tap to the top. You could change some of the functions on the application here. So it's just a nice little feature right there that the developers included to this app just to make it a little bit much more better for a lot of the Tweetbot users out there. Next we have is Rabbit. So Rabbit is a task application. So here you get to add whatever task you want and to follow those tasks through. So like I already did, I already went for a walk for 30 minutes, I already drink some water. I am feeling a little bit great. So you could just add whatever task you want. It's very simple. You get to add whatever task or motivational quote that if you need it. So like go eat lunch. And then you get to choose the color course that you want. You get to choose what days you want to be reminded about this. and how many times per day. If you want to add the reminder, of course, you can add the reminder and create, and that's it. And then when you click it, there you go. You created a new reminder, and it'll be ready for the next day. So you can create those tasks of just remembering these tasks, and this application makes it much more easier for that, to remind yourself to complete new tasks or reminders or whatever you need to get done throughout the day or throughout the week. Next we have is Flow. So Flow is a minimalistic timer pretty much. So you get to focus on whatever you want to focus on. So if you need to study, if you need to focus on meditation, work, whatever you want to be, you could just time yourself right here, and it just start the countdown for 25 minutes or for however long you need to be focused, or just relax a little bit. Now there's also some cool little things, of course, with this application is that, of course, you get to see your stats here of how long you've been focusing and all that, your breaks and everything. So if you're really into timing, then this application might be for you. The app is free, so there's that bonus as well. And then, of course, you get to choose your break durations, the flow duration. If you're a fan of this sound, the monotone, which of course is like. So if you like that sound, then you could turn that on right now and have that, so you could focus a lot better if you could focus with that sound. Personally, I cannot, so that's why I have it turned off. But yeah, it's just a really, really great app if you just need to be, just need to focus on something or just be relaxed. Or like I said, if you just need to be a little bit productive for 25 minutes or 30 minutes or for however long you need to be focused on that product. And next and not least, we have is health stats. So if you're a big active user and you have your Apple Watch or your iPhone with you all the time when you're doing exercise, then this application is for you. So what I like about this is the card design look that you get when you open the application. But also here you get to see all your stats of you're running, your food, your distance, everything all in one place in a really nice simple form than the default Apple Health app that you have on your iPhones. So that's why I really like this application. It's just how easy it is just to read all your data, of course, when you're doing exercise with your iPhone or your Apple Watch. And it's just a really, really nice, I just like the emojis and everything as well. And it just makes it easy to read the data. So yeah, you get to see all your month, your data, your year round. So as you can see, I haven't been doing that much really for a while, but yeah, you can just see all the data here. And it's just, like I said, simple, easy to use, and it's just a fantastic application to have, and it's free as well if you want to have something easy to read your data of your health app. So that's pretty much it for the top apps for the month of September. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you guys did enjoy this video, it'll mean the world to me. If you guys will like the video, subscribe to the channel, and that's pretty much it. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.